Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So we are going to be going through my stamping plates and my kind of stamping collection. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I have in my growing stamping plate collection. I don't have, the organization that I want to have yet for my stamping plates. I want to get some sort of like giant photo album or something somewhere that I can put all of my stamping plates and not have them in 3 different places. Like this is where most of my stamping plates are, and then that little folder holder to the purple one to the right is full of stamping plates. So, and then I have another stamping plate holder with stamping plates as well. It's right here, as you can see. And then I have more stamping plates that don't even have anywhere to go, so I just have them in that box as you saw a second ago. So I don't have enough places to store my stamping plates, and I am working on that. I definitely want one place to store all of my stamping plates. These Bundle Monster plates were in collaboration with a couple of YouTubers, and I had to get my hands on them. They are some years old, but I just had to get my hands on them. And there are some that I still have not even reviewed yet or tested out. So I am going to be, there are a lot of plates that I have not tested out yet. There are a ton of plates that I have tested out with you on camera. If you just go back, you're gonna have to swim through several videos, because I think I've got hundreds of videos, and that is no joke. If you go on through and look through my videos, I have a lot of stamping videos, if that's something that you are interested in. But I am looking forward to getting back into doing more stamping, so please look out for that. So these small square Born Pretty plates are the only plates that kind of fit in this holder here. These bigger CAD plates or CADS plates, stamping plates, do not fit, so I'll have to find another storage system for all of my plates. Like I said, I think maybe like a giant photo album or something would work. I just want to find something that works for me, because I have a growing collection and I really want to, I just knocked something out, so I apologize. I really would like to have all of my stamping plates kind of in one general area together, so that they're not in different holders, is what I would like. So I'm going to be working on that. And because I don't have any more Born Pretty plates of those tiny square ones, I don't have any more of those, so I'm just going to take advantage and stick these circular stamping plates in, because they just fit, so why not? It is my favorite time of season. I love autumn, fall. I love the leaves changing. I just love, for some reason, the stamping, not stamping, I should just say nail art in general. When it comes to holiday nail art, I think that's my favorite type of nail art. So I get really, really excited when the holidays come around, because I feel like you can get a little bit more festive and use different colors and things like that. So I am going to be bringing some more stamping plates out, because I have a ton of stamping plates that I have not even kind of played around yet with. So I definitely want to do that. This is definitely one of my favorite stamping plates. Ejibas. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. I will try my best to leave some links down below in the description box. But those are my favorite stamping plates, my favorite maybe company. So these are a bunch of stamping plates that I've collected in the last couple of months. And of course, I've yet to use them because I still have the blue film on them. But I will be using some of them, not all of them. I will be using some of them probably in the next couple of months. So I have kept my very first stamper kit, and it did come with some stamping plates with them. They weren't the very best, but I believe my very first kind of, let's say, a better brand, and where the plates were etched better. I believe the very first company that I purchased from was Pueen. So Pueen was my very first stamping kit that I purchased on my own. Alright, so I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I had purchased from Amazon. These really cute Halloween stickers. I thought they were like, cutesy stickers. Some of them are a little bit more dark, but like these right here, I don't understand these. These are a little scary to me. But the rest of them are really cute, and I did try to see if they were glowing in the dark, and I don't think that they were. I might try that again, but I don't think that they did. But I do like them. Some of them are really, really cute. I do like that last one. It has Jack the Skeleton on it. Really, really cute. Again, I'm not huge, big into Halloween. I just love nail art, but I won't get into like gory, and things like that. So I just like really cute Halloween nail art. So, and this is the time of season for it. And don't you worry, I will be leaving all the links to these couple of items that I did find down below in my description box. So if you're interested, please check that out. And tell me how cute this little hand light is. Look how cute this light is. It's got 4 curing lights on it. I have not tested it out yet. We will test it out together. I didn't want to blind you, so I tried to not direct it at the camera, but it does seem powerful. If you click it once and twice, it has 2 different settings, and if you click it a 3rd time, it does shut it off. You can charge it so it does not come with batteries. I preferred it that way. It's really cute, sleek, and lightweight. It does not weigh anything at all. Right here, I'm showing you that that's where you charge it. You would just need a charging port or block, and it comes with a really cute stand. I had it the wrong way. This is the way that you do it. And I thought, hey, well, if you didn't want to hold on to it, you could stick your finger under the light and you could cure your nail that way as well. But I like it to be in my hand if I'm just curing, some charms really quickly or some crystals. I just thought that, having it be where I can hold on to it rather than sticking my nail under it, I thought that that was really cute. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.